Oh my bad. Hey you guys, so in the last video we installed the mustache bar on the Talon, and right now we're about to pull the engine hoist we got out of my car and put it together. I love putting stuff together, but Brian doesn't like it so much, so we figured you guys could watch us deal with this. I don't know how much putting together is involved, but he said probably a good bit, so we'll see. Ooh, I can already tell this is gonna be fun. Ran out of battery, had to switch. That's it. That's our engine hoist. Got it put together. So we got the engine hoist put together, and Brian got a load leveler too, which is really awesome.
Yep, just make it that much easier to pull the engine out. In the next video, we'll be pulling the engine out of the Colt. It's mostly tore down. I still have to drain the fluids out of it. I gotta pull the axles out, and then we'll be ready to lift her out.
Yeah, we wanted to do it today, but we're gonna wait till we have more time. So that's what you'll see probably in the next video, but maybe
yeah, we still have to
eventually
fix the Hyundai too.
Yeah,
the oil cooler.
So in the next couple videos, that'll be one of the things we're gonna be getting done. But anyways, for today,
yeah,
that'll do it.